Kia ora, koala hawira hau, e noho ana I karioi, I hoki au ki karioi I te rātu tai, ki te noho kei wanganui a taku whānau a Ngāti Rangi anō reira tēnā koutou. I learned that we were going to have puanga kairau as part of our celebrations for puanga, and we had a little bit of a kōrero about what was possible. And I was at the stage where I was helping clean Auntie Biddy's harakeke, and I was going to do some weaving, so I thought it might be an idea to produce something that perhaps Kai could be served in. There's a few being made out of harakeke from out at Karioi, just across from the old headquarters, and there's about half a dozen are made from some that I had left over from Taihape. Some of the bog standard flax is perfectly good weaving harakeke. It depends on the muka content. And for those who know about muka, what they do is they come and they look at the back of the row and run their thumbnails if they can't see it. You normally harvest in sort of probably March, April. And you would preserve your harakeke to use it during the winter. There's nothing to say you can't harvest now, but if you come out when it's really cold, the harakeke is hard to use because I suppose it closes up on itself to keep itself reasonably warm. The harakeke is prepared into widths, and also it's softened. We huddle it to soften it, but also to extract as much of the water as we can so that it limits the shrinkage. So as opposed to a kono, which you would use the raw harakeke for, and you'd normally weave them green not long before you use them, so they'd be used green. These ones have been dried. Yeah, they've been made and then dried. So when we're harvesting, we leave the middle three, the parents and the baby, and we harvest outwards from the parents. I love the smell of flax. I like the smell of it drying. But I also just like the whole, what you can produce out of it. Well, we're always encouraged to always ask before you go and get somebody's harakeke. And the other thing is that if somebody else is harvesting there, if you can see that somebody else has harvested there, to leave it alone.